Hey guys, wanna make cream cheesecake at home from scratch? Then keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for regular updates of my channel. So first, here I have taken one red velvet flavored biscuit. Let's just open the packet and take out the biscuits. So let's just pour them in a mixer grinder and yes, just grind it. It should be very fine. There should be no chunk, and yes, you can see it's ready. Now I'm scraping the sides. I'll keep aside around 1 teaspoon of this powder for garnishing. Next I'm adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now this part is very important. You have to mix them very well and the butter should be incorporated with the mixture very finely. Now just take some mixture and press into your palm, and if you can see that it is holding on its own, then you will know that it's done. So our mixture is ready. This was the base. Next I'm taking muffin mold liner. Yes, this will be a base. Next I'm pouring some mixture at the very bottom of that liner. I'm taking here help of a measuring cup. You can take any container or cup of your choice. Now next is just press them very finely and very delicately so that it will be all set. I'm doing that with the help of my finger and I'll show you the sides. See, this is ready. So I have done rest of them also, and let's just take out from the cup. Yeah, and I'll keep it in refrigerator for half an hour. Next I'm taking 1 cup of milk and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder. Here comes the second one, and next part is mixing. Mix them very well and we will heat them and mix them until the gelatin powder is dissolved. Here you can use agar-agar powder. So this is now dissolved, so this mixture is done. Next I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cream cheese. Now making of cream cheese is very easy. Trust me guys, all you need is milk. I have already a video that how you can make cream cheese in 2 minutes. Please watch that. That will be in the description box. So next is mixing. You can see I have mixed them very well and there is no lump. Yes, it's now ready. So next part is 1/4 teaspoon of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence for the flavor. Next is mixing. Mix it up very well. There should be no lump and it should be very smooth, and it's also done. Let's just take out the base from the fridge and pour this liquid cream cheese mixture, and we'll again keep them in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to 2 hours. And yeah, they are now out of the fridge and let me show you, they are all set. See how well they have turned out, and it's so simple and easy to make. You can easily make from scratch. So next part is demolding the liner. You just pinch the liner and just pull out outwards. Yes, pull out outwards, but you should be very cautious. And yeah, it's done. Let me show you the layers. See the layers, how lovely it is, and I'm adding that mixture of red velvet on the top for garnishing. And yeah, our red velvet cream cheesecake is ready and soft. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. See you again. Bye bye.